Hello friend, welcome to our MKE factory. I'm James. Today I want to show you how to use our low-speed batch table centrifuge, model number VL6B. First, let me put the rotor into this machine. Okay, then let us put the cup into the rotor. As you can see, then we close the machine. Okay. This is the setup screen here. As you can see, this is the rotor number, and we needn't to choose it. As you can see, this is speed, and this is plus this menus. And then the next one is RCF. And you can also plus it or minutes. It's up to you. And then is time. You can say this is minute. And this is second. And this is the number of breaths we lift. And then we can use it. It means it's work now.